Hi everyone, ready to improve your English? Today's story is The Missing Passport. Enjoy the story and good luck with the quizzes. The Big Trip. Mark was very excited. Tomorrow he was flying to Tokyo for his dream vacation. He packed his suitcase with clothes, his camera, and his maps. Everything was ready. He put his passport on the kitchen table next to his wallet. Then his friend Leo came over to say goodbye. They drank coffee and talked about Japan. After Leo left, Mark went to the kitchen to take his passport. But the table was empty. The passport was gone. Mark looked under the table, but there was nothing. He began to panic. Listen and repeat. Mark was very excited. Tomorrow, he was flying to Tokyo. He packed his suitcase with clothes and a camera. He put his passport on the kitchen table. His friend Leo came over to say goodbye. They drank coffee and talked about Japan. After Leo left, the table was empty. The passport was gone. Where was Mark flying tomorrow? A. Tokyo. B. Paris. Who came over to his house? A. His brother. B. His friend Leo. Where did Mark put his passport? A. On the kitchen table. B. In his suitcase. The first clue. Mark checked his phone. It was 8 p.m. His flight was in 14 hours. He called Leo. "Hey, did you see my passport?" Mark asked, his voice shaking. Leo sounded surprised. "No, man, I didn't see it." "Check your bag again," Leo said. Mark looked in his bag, his jacket, and even in the fridge. Nothing. Then he went back to the kitchen. He looked closely at the table. He saw something strange. There was a small piece of blue paper on the floor. It was a receipt from a local coffee shop dated today at 6:30 p.m. But Mark didn't buy coffee today. Mark checked his phone. His flight was in 14 hours. He called Leo to ask about the passport. Leo sounded strange and nervous. Mark looked in his jacket and the fridge. He saw something strange on the kitchen floor. It was a small piece of blue paper. It was a receipt from a coffee shop. When was Mark's flight? A. In 2 hours. B. In 14 hours. What did Mark find on the floor? A. A key. B. A receipt. What color was the piece of paper? A. Blue. B. Yellow. The coffee shop. Mark ran to the coffee shop down the street. It was almost closing time. The barista, a young girl named Sarah, was cleaning the counters. Mark showed her the blue receipt. "Do you remember who bought this?" he asked. Sarah looked at the receipt. "Oh yes, a man with a black backpack bought a green tea at 6:30 p.m. He was very nervous. He dropped a small black notebook too." Mark gasped. Leo always wore a black backpack. Why did Leo lie? Mark ran to the coffee shop down the street. The barista was cleaning the counters. Mark showed her the blue receipt. A man with a black backpack bought a green tea. The man looked very nervous. Leo always wore a black backpack. Mark wondered why Leo lied. Who was cleaning the counters? A. The barista, Sarah. B. Leo. What did the man buy at the coffee shop? A. Coffee. B. Green tea. What kind of backpack does Leo always wear? A. A red backpack. B. A black backpack. The truth. Mark walked quickly to Leo's apartment. He knocked on the door loudly. Leo opened it, looking very guilty. Mark looked into his eyes. "Leo, nobody else came to my house today. You are the only person who could take my passport." "Why do you have it?" Mark asked. Leo sighed, opened his drawer, and pulled out the passport. "I'm so sorry, Mark," Leo whispered. "You know I have a terrible fear of flying. Tokyo is a very long flight over the ocean. I was panicking and so scared for you. I didn't want you to go." Mark smiled gently. "Leo, I am scared of long flights too, but this is my dream vacation." Mark took his passport and hugged his friend. Everything was okay. Mark walked quickly to Leo's apartment. Leo opened the door and looked very guilty. Mark said, "You are the only person who could take it." Leo pulled the passport out of his drawer. Leo said, "I'm so sorry, Mark. I have a terrible fear of flying." Tokyo is a very long flight. Mark took his passport and hugged his friend. What is Leo afraid of? A. Flying. B. Traveling by train. How did Mark react at the end? A. He was very angry and called the police. B. He smiled gently and hugged Leo. What a story! What do you think about Leo's reaction? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye!